last time we finished up working on these 4 chairs here and this table with sushi on it. Sure, little chopsticks. They got adorable. I really like this. This is cute. So now we'll put all this to the side and see what's next. Okay, we have a lounge chair with a little guitar. So what we need is bag H. And most of this is pink, so that makes it easy. And we need H02, which would be these. There's 2 of them. H03, which is that. H04, which is this. H01, H05, H11. So this is all we need in here. Next we need M01-1, which is this material in this bag. Kind of a tapestry, brocade, silky. It's really cute. And we need M04-1 is cardboard paper, white, a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter piece. Which is this. And then we need K14 which is that. And A26-4, that's on this single piece that's in the center. It's right here. We need patterns for these M04s. On this big sheet, here's M04-1. So this goes on this cardboard. We also need a pattern for M01-1. That would be this piece. It was on the page that had this at the bottom. So you can either have a matte material and shiny design, or you can have a shiny material and matte design. Both are equally as pretty. I think I will do the matte with the shiny. And I'm going to lay this on here. And we need to trim this out. First we want H01, which is this bigger piece, and then glue H02 on, and it says note, align to the right. So that means we want it flushed up against this side, both of these. Next, we want to take H04 and we put that right here on the opposite of the flush side. And then we want to take H5 and put it here with this center bar here. The legs, this here, will finish out these legs, so it should be flush with this bottom. And then we want to take this with H5 up here, now on the left. We want to take H3 and glue it along the side with this arch facing the foot. Now we take our piece of material, which is M01, and we want to glue that around our piece of cardboard. That's adorable. We take this little white wooden dowel and put up here as a pillow. Next, we take this little guitar and glue this on top. And this gets glued on here, resting on the pillow, a little cocked towards the one side. Adorable. Let's move on to some plants now. We want N08 and P04. 3 of them, 3 each. We've got these 3 look like Aztec type patterns on them. They do want to run away. I don't know why. Must be a small lean in my table. And then P04. I'm going to look at this. Here's P. P04, plastic plant, green, 3 trees. This is our P. That didn't sound good. I'm going to put, this tree is so cute. Can't wait to play with it. Look at that. It's a very nice tree. I'm going to put him in there by himself. Oh, look here. These are plastic, but they're so cute. And we got lions here too. Got 2 of these. It's so cute. Okay, so we need to figure out which plant we want. This one, I believe. There's, it says 3. Here's another one. Here's another one. They're a little bit different from each other. And I see that plant, P05's in here. There's 3 of those. And then we've got the bamboo. And, oh, here's the pine. I'm going to put the pine in here so that doesn't get bonked around too much. So the pine, and we've got 3 of the bamboo. So these have to be them. And I'm getting like 3 different shades here. So they're wanting us to snip these off. So we got lighter green on this one and darker green on that one, and this one kind of has a mix. I'll use the mix. Basically, they want us to cut these off of here and glue them in these.